Hello, my friends. Welcome to Talk to Me Tuesday for Tuesday, May 2nd, 2023. This is Jennifer. Come to you today from an entirely different location. This is my bedroom. For the last week, my son and I have been working really hard to update this room. It's the last room in the house that I hadn't touched in like the last 5 to 10 years. And we have painted every wall, painted the doors, painted the trim. We've put down new floor. We actually have a little bit of floor left, but we're almost done with that. We took a break because I'm old and it's very tiring laying floor. So we're gonna finish that tomorrow. But anyway, my sewing room is completely full of stuff from this room, and I can barely even get to my desk in there. So I figured I'd just come to you from the freshly painted room. Aside from DIY, I have not done anything creative. That is DIY, packing, paperwork, moving logistics is all I'm doing right now. I mean, it's just, I'm going from one thing to another to another. I actually fell asleep on the couch yesterday for about 15 minutes just because I was so tired. And I know, you guys, I know I need to take care of myself and I know that I need to get rest. Please don't tell me I need to because I desperately want to, but my brain is not turning off right now because our closing date is a month from today and we have a lot to do between now and then. And logistics are my job because my husband is working full time and he's taking care of some of our other like paperwork and stuff, but like the actual moving logistics, that's me. So that's what I'm figuring out right now. My birthday was on Friday. We had a massive thunderstorm, so the surprise party my husband planned for me got canceled. I didn't know about it until it was canceled. All I knew is he was going to take me out to dinner. But it turns out he invited my friends, my daughter and her fiance. He invited people that he doesn't really talk to. And I mean, not because he doesn't like them, just because they're my friends and not necessarily our friends. And I was touched and surprised and totally bereft all at the same time because we didn't get to have that party. But it has been rescheduled and I will get to have dinner with all of these lovely people, I think this weekend. I'm not sure. He's doing all of the logistics on that because it's appropriate, right? So anyway, so on Friday I turned 50, which is crazy. I didn't have time to think about it. I just didn't because everything is happening so fast right now that I took maybe half an hour to even acknowledge that it was my birthday that day. And then the next day my daughter brought me a carrot cake. So who's to complain about that? Because it was my birthday, I did get a couple things in the mail and that is what I'm showing you today. First of all, I got this amazing baby Smaug. I'm not sure if that's what she intended for him to be, but this was made by our own Amber. And these are the labels I actually made for her. I made her a whole bunch of hang tags for her products for her birthday, which was a couple weeks ago. So she sent me that with his little tag, and he's got little wings. And one of the things we're planning to do in our new house is have a Lord of the Rings Hobbit themed, just Tolkien in general, themed guest room. So that's where he will live. I also got what I have been assured is part of my birthday gift from Jules. She sent me a few things, and apparently there's something that's going to come after we move, and I really appreciate that because I have enough to pack right now as it is. So if you can hold off for a month sending me anything, I will give you my new address as soon as we are. I just want to have the keys before I share that information with any of my friends. So yeah, so thank you guys for waiting on sending me stuff. So from Jules, I got several things. So I got some Godiva chocolates, which I'm saving for an emotional emergency, which I expect to have in the next month just because there's a lot happening right now. She sent me some dry erase magnets. I'm gonna put these on my ironing station, which is metal, and I think this will be great for reminders to myself or whatever, so that's awesome. And she even explained what the point of these were. She sent me these awesome giant acrylic graffiti markers for moving. I haven't used them yet, but I have a feeling they will come in handy. I've been using primarily Sharpies, but also I never say no to craft supplies, so even if I don't use them for moving, I will certainly find a use for them. This is phenomenal. I love it. She sent me the Riley Blake National Park. I don't remember exactly what the name of this one is, but it's like the mythical creatures one. And I've already had it suggested to me that this will make an amazing cushion for our future game room, which is a thing that is on our list to have. We are going full out nerd on our dream house, and we're gonna have a game room So this will be perfect. So I'm looking forward to the future adventures that I get to share with you guys in that way. All of these beautiful gifties that Joel sent me came in this most perfect bag. I love it so much. Yeah, it sort of encapsulates my entire attitude about living. So thank you, Jules. Thank you, Amber. Thank you for all the birthday wishes that I got online. Thank you to everyone who's given me moving advice. Everything's a lot right now. I mean, I don't know if I mentioned it, but my hair's wet just because I'm so busy right now. But I did get a shower, so A+. And finally, here's the really exciting part of the video, the giveaway. So I'm giving this guy away. This is one of my original pieces. There's only one like it. The pattern's not available anymore. Trying to find the magazine this was in. The magazine doesn't exist anymore. Like, they went out of business years ago. I have a copy of it somewhere. I haven't found it yet. This is going to be the giveaway. This is our 14th birthday, our Talk to Me Tuesday 14th birthday. We have done this for 14 years. I started it, I think it was like April 21st, 2009 was my first video, and I didn't call it Talk to Me Tuesday. I invited my friends to reply with a video, because at the time YouTube had a reply with a video feature, which I really wish they still had. Now it's more of like a remix thing, but at the time you could just be like, reply as a video, and the replies would come up under the video. So it kind of started like that, and then a couple weeks later, someone who replied to a video suggested that we give it a name. And because I posted on Tuesdays, because Tuesday at the time was my day off, it became Talk to Me Tuesday. So this guy is going to the person whose name I draw now. So we had 18 videos, not including mine, because why would I give it to myself? I dropped one, I had to pick it up. So anyway, 18 videos, not including mine, and they're all in here. They're all our regular Talk to Me Tuesdayers. Vanda came back for a visit, so her name is in here. So whoever I pull is who I will be mailing this to tomorrow, because I need to go to the post office, and you will be on my list. Let's pull one right now. Okay. Michelle. Michelle is our winner. Congratulations, Michelle. I will mail this to you tomorrow. So guys, that is going to be it for me. I'm probably going to put my hair up in a messy bun, because that's what I do when I'm working. And then I will get a few things done on my computer, and then it'll be right back to all of this. This room, as I said, done. I've got to touch up paint in a bunch of other rooms. Just odds and ends, tons of packing. And yeah, so it's not super exciting, but if you really are interested in my moving journey, follow me on social media. I am at SoHookJen on Instagram. I am posting probably more than I normally do, but it's a nice stress relief to be able to do that. Hey guys, I almost forgot. I wanted to thank everyone who shared a coffee with me. I started a coffee account about 2 months ago just to support my free content. The only fees I really have are website hosting for So Hooked and for Phantom and Stitches. And you guys, thank you. I've received 15 so far, which I didn't expect, and I really appreciate it. I just wanted you to know that I have noticed, and you are making a difference. You paid for the Phantom and Stitches registration, and you paid for my SoHooked.com registration, so that is a huge help to me. And yeah, so thank you for supporting my free content. Anyway, have a great week. Have a crafty week. You can tell. Bing, 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 bing. Post your videos. I would love to see them, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.